Losing someone you love or a family, it's not easy. Let's face it, it's so painful. It's a struggle. First of all, we have to accept that this person, the one you love, a family, a friend, already left us. Anytime, all of us will go. We're just passing by in this world. But the thing is, how to cope up. Sabi nga, mas mahirap yung naiiwan. Mas masakit yung naiiwan kesa sa umaalis. So many things to how to cope up. But not all people can cope up easily or cannot cope up at all. We have to ask strength from the Lord, the grace of acceptance, and the grace of letting go. Minsan, kaya hindi sila nakakalis kasi hindi tayo makabitaw. Kasi meron ng lugar para sa kanila. And at the right time, we will meet again. And hopefully, we will be in the same place na yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, sila yung sasalubong sa atin, diba? And let's just be happy for them wherever they go and wherever they are now. It doesn't mean that losing is death. Sometimes they left us, right? A friend, a loved one, a family. Minsan umaalis na sa isang lugar because of their new journey in life. They will be in somewhere else for their new endeavor. Others, they left for a lifetime. Others will live for some time. At kapag handa na sila, babalikan tayo. So let's just be strong enough to open a new chapter of our life, because life has to go on. We have to start fresh, new chapter, a new beginning, at baunin natin yung mga masasayang alaala sa puso natin kasi doon tayo huhugot ng lakas. Life is beautiful. Even there are struggles, we are experiencing pain, sorrows. Sabi nga, for every failure, for every pain, lies an opportunity and a new beginning. And let's always ask God for the strength, keep the faith strong. Kasi hindi naman natin ito malalagpasan kung wala tayong masasandigan. Huwag nating hayaan na nakawin ng lungkot, ng depression, yung pagkakataon na pwede tayong maging masaya. Sayang life is too short. Let's dwell on the things that will make us happy. Let's make every day as its best. Yung bang kahit walang special na nangyayari sa araw-araw, masaya pa rin. And it's a grace. Everything is grace in life. Kahit na simple lang yung araw-araw, may pera o wala, but we're still alive. So many people are fighting their lives every day. Tapos tayo na malakas, na wala namang problema. Diba? We have to be thankful for it. Let's cherish every second, every minute, together with our loved ones, with our family and friends. Kasi hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity na maging masaya, na makasama yung mga taong gusto at pwede nating makasama at the moment. So, let's enjoy life. Kasi, it's like a river flowing. You cannot touch twice. So, basta may dumating na opportunity na pwedeng gawin, gawin mo na ngayon, huwag mo na ipagpabukas. Nobody knows. Baka hindi na maulit yung araw na to, yung oras na to, na pwede naman palang gawin, diba? Kahit walang okasyon, let's celebrate the day na parang may okasyon. Kasi ang sarap maging masaya na at the same time kasama mo yung mahal mo sa buhay. Mga kaibigan na laging nandyan.